Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. In this video, I am going to explain properties of rational numbers. Okay, under four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, I will discuss about the four properties. In this, I am going to explain only three properties: closure, commutative, associative. Main this enough for you. Okay. So rational numbers, I am talking about the rational number set. Number set is indicated by letter Q, capital letter Q, and rational numbers have positive rational numbers, negative rational numbers, and 0. So we should write as minus p by q means negative rational numbers, plus p by q means positive rational numbers, and including 0. Okay, first you should know about the set, which type of numbers will be in that set. Then you should go for the properties. First property is closure property. Okay, first general statement of closure property: if a comma b belongs to q, then a star b belongs to q. Star indicates we can, with respect to symbol, we should addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, with respect to operation we should take that value, means that sign of that. Okay, if any two rational numbers, then the sum also be a rational number. That is closure property under addition. Okay, now I am talking about the plus addition. Okay, so if any two numbers are rational numbers, then a plus b is also a rational number. Okay, here I took C. A comma b belongs to q, then a plus b also belongs to q. Okay, now I am taking a b values. Example: a is 3 by 5 comma b is 6 by 7. These two are rational numbers. Why we are calling rational numbers? Why? Because these are p by q form, so rational numbers. Okay, if any these two are rational number, then sum should be also a rational number. That we should do that. 3 by 5 plus 6 by 7 is equals to, take the LCM, 35. So 3 into 7 plus 6 into 5. Okay, 3 7s are 21 plus 6 5s are 30 by 35 is equals to 51 by 35. Now 51 by 35, this is in the p by q form only, no? So that is a rational number. Now see, closure property is closed under addition. Why? Because if you take any two rational number, the sum also be a rational number. That satisfied a condition. So closure property closed under addition. That only statement. See, conclusion also I wrote closed under addition. Okay, next subtraction. Subtraction, very simple. Instead of addition we should take the minus symbol. If any two numbers are rational number, the difference of the two numbers also a rational number. Okay, see, I took two rational numbers, and that subtraction means we have to do the subtraction of the two rational numbers. So while doing subtraction, first you have to take the LCM. For 4 and 6, 24 is the LCM. So 3, numerator 3 into 4 in 24, 6 times it will go. So 3 into 6 minus 5 into 4 divided by 24. Okay, now 3 6 are 18 minus 20 by 24. Now you have to do the cancellation also, if any. See, 18 minus 22, 2 by 24. So 2 1s are 2, 12s are 24. So is equals to minus 1 by 12. This minus 1 by 12 means minus p by q form, means negative rational number. Yes or no? But whether it is negative or positive, but it is a rational number only, no? Okay, negative rational numbers also there in the rational number set. So this closure property closed under subtraction. Okay, now multiplication. If a comma b belongs to q, then a into b also belongs to q, means if any two rational numbers, that product also be a rational number. That is the meaning. Okay, I took two rational numbers, that product 7 by 6 into 9 by 8. Now if any cancellation, you can do it. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so 7 into 3 by 2 into 8 is equal 7 3 is 21 by 2 8 is 16. 21 by 16. That is a rational number. So the product also be a rational number. So closure property is closed under multiplication for the set of rational numbers. Okay. Division. In this, if any two rational numbers, then the division is also a means quotient also be a rational number if you do the division of the two numbers. Okay, so I took two numbers, rational numbers, and I did the division operation on that. So 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. Now 3 into 3 divided by 1 into 7, that is 3 3s are 9. 9 by 7, 9 by 7 is also a rational number. Okay, so but few cases it will not satisfy. What is that? That case also I will explain. So in this case it is okay, satisfied, but in this case, once see, rational numbers have also 0, no, so you should take that condition also. 2 by 3 b is equal to 0 belongs to q. 0 also a rational number. So now do the division. 2 by 3 divided by 0, but can we divide 2 by 3 with 0? No, we cannot divide. So it is not closed under division. It is not closed under division. If you want to take the step 2 by 3, if you change the symbol division into multiplication, so you should write the reciprocal, means that 1 by 0 will come. 1 by 0 in this sense undefined value. So does not closed. Okay, so not closed under division. Okay, these are the 4 operations in the set of rational numbers for the property closure property. Okay, one property is completed under 4 operations. Okay, next about commutative property. See, commutative property. First know the statement of commutative property. A comma b belongs to q, then a star b is equal to b star a. Star in the sense general symbol I took. This star indicates plus minus into division. Okay, we can take the respective operation instead of star symbol. Okay, commutative property statement very simple. If you take any two rational numbers, if you add that rational numbers in order, in any order, if you add that rational numbers, you will get the same answer. So a star b in order you are added, but you are get answer, the same answer will come if you change the order of the numbers. Okay, so now I am talking about addition. So addition, in that general statement a b belongs to q, then a plus b is equal to b plus a. Why we are taking place here, we are talking about addition. So a plus b is equal to b plus a. Now I took two rational numbers, that sum should be also a rational number, and in order, in any order, if you add the two rational numbers, you will get the same answer. Once check it. See, for 2 and 6, 6 is the LCM. So 3 into 2 in 6, 3 times it will go, plus 5 into 6 in 6, 1 time it will go. This is LHS. Now RHS b plus a, we changed the order of the numbers. Okay, so even though we should get the same answer. So 2 and 6 LCM 6. 5 into 1 plus 3 into 3. Okay, now 3 3s are 9 plus 5 1s are 5 by 6 is equals to 5 plus 9 by 6. Now 14 by 6 is equal to 14 by 6. Okay, LHS is equal to RHS, we got it. So commutative under addition. Okay, this property satisfied under addition in the set of rational numbers. Okay, next I am talking about the subtraction. Subtraction, instead of plus symbol should take minus symbol. Very simple. Same property, a minus b is equal to b minus a. If you subtract in any order, you will get the same answer. That meaning is okay. So here LHS RHS, a minus b, here b minus a. This is a minus b is equal to b minus a. So a is 1 by 2, b is 4 by 7. Now do the subtraction. While doing, you should take the LCM. Already you know how to do LCM. So now 7 minus 8 by 14 is equal to 8 minus 7 by 14. Okay, now minus 1 by 14 is not equal to plus 1 by 14, yes or no? So here we should check whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. If you get LHS is equal to RHS, that should be satisfied, otherwise it will not satisfy. So these are LHS is not equal to RHS. Why? Because here negative value, here positive value, so both are not equal, so not committed to under subtraction in the set of rational number set. Okay, next multiplication. See here multiplication, a comma b belongs to q, then a into b is equal to b into a. LHS is equal to RHS. The product of in order is equal to the product of out of order, means in any order. Okay, here b into a, so you should ab values any two rational numbers I took. I did the product of LHS and RHS. So LHS is equals to RHS. 3 by 8 is equal to 3 by 8. So commutative under multiplication for the set of rational numbers. Okay, next division operation. If a comma b belongs to q, then a divided by b belongs to q. Okay, now division operation. A divided b is equal to b divided by a, also we should write. Okay, division, a divided by b is equal to b divided by a. Now a divided by b, if you do, you will get 18 by 20, that is belongs to q. Okay, now next you are talking about b divided by a. If you take b divided by a, 5 by 6 divided by 3 by 4. Now 5 by 6, 4 by 3. Okay, 2 2s are 2 3s are 5 2s are 10. 10 by 3 3s are 9. 10 by 9, it will not satisfy. See here 18 by 20, but here 10 by 9. If you do the cancellation also, okay, 2 table if you take means 2 10s are 2 9s are. Okay, 9 by 10, here 10 by 9. LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay, and few cases also if you take also, that is not undefined value will get. Remaining few cases, suppose 3 by 4 divided by 0 by 1. 0 is also one rational number only, no? So if you take that, that is undefined value. Okay, so this case, and if you special case also, it is not satisfied, so not committed under division for the set of rational numbers. Okay, these are the 4 operations. Okay, these are the 4 operations for the commutative property for the set of rational numbers. Okay, I hope you understood. Next I am going to explain next property, associative property, under 4 operations. Okay, so general statement of associative property. If a comma b and c belongs to q, then a star of b star c is equal to a star b star c, or a star b star c is equals to a star b star c. Okay, now star symbol indicates these 4 respective operations. Now I am talking about addition. First, before going to addition, first see, in this associative property, if any 3 numbers, in that 3 numbers, first you should add first 2 numbers in LHS, then that answer you should add for the next third number. Okay, what you are get answer, the same answer will come. In RHS, first last 2 numbers you should add, for that answer you should add first number. This is the way. Okay, now addition. If a b c are 3 rational numbers, then a plus b half plus c is equal to a plus half b plus c. Okay, now I took 3 rational numbers and I will check whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. See here, a 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 is equal to half plus 3 by 4 is equal to a 1 by 2 plus b 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. Okay, now see, first you have to calculate bracket values. So to take the LCM 6, so 1 into 3 plus 2 into 2. Okay, why? Because 2 in 3 to 3 in 6, 2 times it will go. Numerator already 2 is there. So by 6 plus 3 by 4 is equals to 1 by 2 plus, again this bracket you have to take LCM. and 3 plus 4 by 6 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 plus here 8 plus 3 8 plus 9 by 12. Okay, so now 7 by 6 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 plus here 17 by 12. Now should add these two numbers. When we are adding, again take the LCM, because unlike fractions we cannot divide add directly. So take the LCM. For 6 and 4, 24 is the LCM, and the number of times is equals to 1 by 2 plus 17 by 12. Now you have to multiply is equals to, now here you should take the LCM. 12 is the LCM. Now 6 plus 17 into 1. Now 28 plus 18, 46 by 24 is equal to 6 plus 17 divided by 12. Okay, now 46 by 24 is how to do the cancellation with 2 table. Okay, 2 23 is a 46, 2 12 is a 24, so 23 by 12. Here LHS 23 by 12, RHS also 23 by 12. Therefore associative under addition in the set of rational numbers. Okay, associative property satisfied under addition. Why? Because LHS is equal to RHS, we got it. Okay, next subtraction. If a comma b comma c belongs to Q, then a minus b half minus c is equal to a minus half b minus c. Okay, very simple. Here also LHS RHS we need to calculate, and whether we are getting same answer or not we need to check. Here a b c and a minus b half minus c is equal to a minus of b minus c. Take the LCM. First we need to calculate bracket values first. Okay, so 2 and 3, 6 is the LCM. How many number of times it will go? Minus 3 by 4, and here also take LCM. How many times it will go, that we need to write. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 minus 2 4s are 2 2s are 4 by 6 minus 3 by 4 is equals to 1 by 2 minus of 8 minus 9 by 12 minus 1 by 6 minus 3 by 4. Here 3 minus 4 means minus 1 by 6 minus 3 by 4 as it is equal to 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 12. Okay, minus 1 by 6 minus of 3 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 1 by 12. So if you take the LCM here for these two values, and you will get this. See, minus 4 minus 18 minus 22. Here 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 12, here minus 22 by 24. But you will get 11 by 12, minus 11 by 12, here 7 by 12. Both are not equal, yes or no? So not associative under subtraction in the set of rational numbers. Subtraction is not satisfied for the associative property. Okay, next multiplication. Third operation, multiplication. See, multiplication, just we should take the product. A into b half into c is equal to a into half b into c. A, b, c values, and you have to substitute a, b, c value. Now you can check the LHS and RHS. You should get the same answer. 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. LHS is equal to RHS. So associative under multiplication in the set of rational numbers. Okay, next I am going to explain division. If three rational numbers, then a divided by b half divided by c is equal to a divided by half b divided by c. LHS, RHS, ABC values you have to substitute and do the division. See, 1 by 2, change the symbol into multiplication, so you should write the reciprocals. 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3 into 4 by 3. Why we are changing the division into multiplication, so you should write the reciprocal of that number. Next step, here 3 by 4 divided by 3 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 divided by 8 by 9. Now 3 by 4 into here reciprocal. Why? Because we are changing the symbol, so 4 by 3 will come is equal to 1 by 2 into here also we are changing the symbol, so 9 by 8 will come. Now we have to take the cancellation. 4 1s are 4 1s are 3 1s are 3 1s are. Numerator and denominator value same means we can do the cancellation. 1 is equal to 9 by 18. 2 8s are 16. Okay, sorry, 2 8s are 16. Okay, if you take it, we have to take the numerators product and denominators product. 1 9s are 9, 2 8s are 16. Okay, if any cancellation, do it, otherwise you can there is no cancellation, directly 9 by 16, but both are not equal. 1 is not equal to 9 by 16. Okay, so not associative under division in the set of rational numbers. Okay, these are the 4 operations in associative property. Okay, completed with examples, why it is satisfied, why it is not satisfied. So all these explanation I wrote in the tabular form, very simple. See, properties: closure, commutative, associative, set of rational numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. How it will be? Closure property under addition satisfied, subtraction also satisfied, multiplication also satisfied, but division not closed, not satisfied. Next, commutative property under addition satisfied, subtraction not satisfied, multiplication satisfied, division not satisfied. Okay, so next to associative property under addition satisfied, subtraction not satisfied, multiplication satisfied, division not satisfied. Okay, so commutative property, associative property same. Okay, addition, multiplication satisfying, subtraction, division not satisfying, but closure only first 3 operations satisfied, division not satisfied. Okay, like simple manner. Why it is not satisfied means you should take the example and you should show that. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.